warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear audience. Welcome back to H Learning Academy. Today topic is English Assignment 1 of Class 8. Question is second assigned task. Unit 5. Lesson 7. The Truthful Dove-3. HW, why do you think that the title is appropriate for the story The Truthful Dove? Solution. The title is appropriate for the story The Truthful Dove. I think the title is appropriate for the story because it gives us a strong and real message about the dove, that the dove is really a truthful bird. For being truthful, the dove has gained a place at the heart of the poets. It has earned the status of being a source of passion for love by the poets. As long as the world lasts to rhyme with love. The two bird, bat and owl, got punishment for their ill-doing, and the dove gained reward for its being realistic and truthful. So we can say the title of the story The Truthful Dove is appropriate and admirable. Thank you for watching the full video, and don't forget to share this video with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe H Learning Academy.